So there is one big problem with Clickbank and affiliate marketing in general. So as affiliates, we are selling someone else's product, right? So therefore, like, you don't control the product, you don't own it, I don't own it, I don't control it. And basically the product can be here today and gone tomorrow. Vendors can say, okay, like, we don't want to sell this product anymore, right? So again, because we don't control it, we don't own it, we don't know what can happen to the product. And basically, if all your income, all your money is depending on that one product and something happens to that one product, you lose everything. You lose all your money, all your income, right? So the question is, like, can you have the stability in your business if you're selling someone else's product? And basically the good thing is you can, but you need to do certain things in a certain way. So like, you don't have to necessarily create your own product to actually have stability in your business. But basically what we need to do is we need to focus on creating something called business assets. And one of those business assets is actually an email list. So yeah, actually in this video I want to talk more about how to actually build very responsive, very lucrative email list. So you can basically capture traffic, collect email addresses, collect leads, right? And basically you have a lot of people to market to different Clickbank products. But like, also what I want to do, because just because you have, perhaps thousands of leads on your email list, it doesn't necessarily mean that you will make money. So I also want to take it one step further, and I want to show you what to do with those leads, how to actually convert them into buyers. And if this is your first time here on this channel, welcome. My name is Dora, and here you can find a lot of different videos that will help you build solid, successful, stable affiliate marketing business around Clickbank products. So consider subscribing for more videos that will help you take your business to the next level. Now, the number one thing why we actually need to have an email list is because you own it, okay? You own your email list, you control it, no one can take it away from you. A lot of people are focused on building followings on different platforms, on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, on all of the different platforms, right? And people think, okay, so I have 100,000 followers on Facebook, so this is my audience, right? But the thing is, what people don't realize is that this is not their audience. Basically, platform owns their audience, right? Because Facebook can say, Facebook can change the algorithm, Instagram can change the algorithm, right? Basically all those platforms. But also, like, they can shut down their accounts. So one day people might have, I don't know, let's just say 100,000 followers. The next day they have 0 followers, nothing, right? So basically this is why it's very important. Like, you can focus on building followers, okay, on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, on all of those platforms. But what you need to do is you need to channel that traffic, okay, to your landing page, and we'll talk more about it in just a second. But basically this is where you are building your email list, right? And again, like, you have to build your email list because you own it. It will help you build that stability in your business. Now here's what most affiliates are doing. So basically they would have traffic, so ladies actually arrows represented traffic, and they would send those people straight to their affiliate link. By the way, these are supposed to be perfect drawings. They are far from perfect, so sorry for that. But basically what most people are doing is, again, like, just sending people straight to their affiliate link. But the thing is, if you are following this model, maybe 1% of people will buy. This is like industrial average across the entire industry. So, and this is basically maybe if the product is actually high converting product. But that also means 99% of people won't, right? So if I send, for example, 100 people to my affiliate link, maybe 1% will buy, but 99 people won't. So basically I will lose those people forever, right? But if I'm spending money on all 100 clicks, like, I don't want to lose 99 people, because that means I'm losing 99% of my money, right? Like, I don't want to lose my money. I assume you don't want to lose your money, right? So basically what we need to do, we don't want to lose those visitors, right? We basically want to capture traffic. And to do this, again, like, we need to build an email list. So let me actually show you how to do it. Okay, so basically, like, still I want to have traffic. But what I want to do, like, I don't want to send those people straight to my affiliate link, okay? I want to capture traffic. I want to build my email list. So I want to send those people to something called landing page. And this is basically a very basic page. This is where people are submitting their email addresses. So you're capturing traffic, you are capturing their information. Those people go to your email list, okay, to your autoresponder list. Autoresponder is basically the technology that helps you store all of those contacts. And this is where you can actually email those people, right? Send out the different emails. Now, basically on this landing page, there are 2 things you need to have in order for you to actually convert those visitors into leads. Now, the first very important thing is something called message to market match. So what I mean by this is basically here I want to have this message, okay, my headline, but all of those people who are landing on your landing page, who are visiting your landing page, like all of those people are looking for specific result, right? So those people want to achieve something, they want to gain something, they have desires, goals, right? They want to solve particular problems. So basically I want to make sure that this message actually talks about that result they are looking for, right? So I want to make sure that there's this congruency between their desires, that result they are looking for, and between this landing page, right? This message on this landing page. So for example, let's just say that those people want to start an online business. So like I want to make sure that this headline, that this message actually talks about starting an online business, right? Basically I want to make sure that there's this congruency between those people's desires, those people's, that result they want to achieve, and basically between this landing page, between my message on this landing page. Now, the second thing that you need to have that will actually help you convert those visitors into leads, so you can have more people on your email list, is basically you need to have something called lead magnet. And lead magnet is that piece of value that will help your people get closer to that result that they are looking for. So this can be, for example, a free PDF, it can be a free video series, free video, it can be a blog post, a webinar, but basically something valuable, okay, information that will actually help them get closer to that result. So basically, for example, let me actually give you an example. So what I can do is I can say on my landing page, free video reveals. So let's just say my lead magnet is actually video, right? So I can say free video reveals. Now what I can do then below it, like I want to make sure I have this message to market match. So I can say learn how to start an online business step by step, even if you are a complete beginner, right? So maybe someone is landing on this landing page, they want to start an online business, but they don't know how to do it, they are complete beginners. So basically this message is for those people, right? There's this congruency. So basically this is, basically this is how you build yourself an email list, right? So it's not very hard. What you need to be careful about are again those two things. So you need to have lead magnet and message to market match. But basically once you have those people on your email list, right, people are submitting those email addresses that are added to your autoresponder list. Now again, like just because you have all those people on your email list, it doesn't necessarily mean that you will make money. Now to make money, we need to actually have the right monetization strategy in place, right conversion strategy that will actually help you convert those people on your email list into customers. And this is actually, this is something that I struggled a lot in my beginnings. Like I remember I would have hundreds of people on my list, but no one was buying anything. Basically I had no idea how to monetize my list, how to convert those leads into buyers. But basically I figured out how to do it. So I want to give you the structure, the model that I'm following in my own affiliate marketing business that's working for me, and basically I want to show you how you can model it. So basically what I want to do, once you have all of those people on your email list, all of those people in your autoresponder, right? Basically, there are two types of emails that you can send out. So basically, what you can do is you can set up something called email follow-up sequence. So those are those automated emails. So what's very cool, like you can write all those emails once, you can preload them in your autoresponder, and those people, your people will automatically receive all of those emails once they opt into your list. Now, the second type of emails is something called broadcast emails. So those are basically live emails, live messages. So you basically write them, you send it out, right? There's no automation. And basically those are two types of emails. Now how I'm actually structuring my business. So I will have those emails preloaded in my autoresponder. These are supposed to be perfect emails. But basically what I want to do, like I want to have 2 weeks, okay, of this email follow-up sequence in place. So basically 2 weeks of automated emails preloaded in my autoresponder. And after that I would actually send out broadcast emails. So basically all of those live messages, right? Now basically this is kind of when it comes to structure, but the question is, what do you actually write in those emails, right? How do you actually communicate with your people? Now what most people are doing, most affiliates, is they are just sending people from every single email straight back to their affiliate offer. And basically people are not buying that way, right? Basically if you're just telling people buy, people will unsubscribe. So really what we need to do, because those people opted into your list because they believe you can help them, you can serve them, you can help them get closer to that result they are looking for. So really to have people's attention, to have people buying products from you, we need to talk about that result, right? So basically we need to provide value, we need to provide information, something that will actually help those people get closer to that result. Meaning, so for example, let's just I'm selling product on weight loss. So if those people want to lose weight, my value can be basically some valuable information that will help them lose weight faster and easier. So maybe in one email I can talk about, okay, here are some foods you should avoid, and avoiding those foods will actually help you lose weight faster and easier, right? Maybe a few days later I can send out another email talking about, okay, here's one exercise that will help you lose weight faster. Okay, so basically some valuable information, strategies, ideas, something that will actually help your people get closer to that result. So what I would usually do is like I would have 3 or 4 value pieces, value emails, and basically then fourth email would be my pitch email. And this is where we're actually sending people straight to your affiliate link, right? But you should not do this in every single email, because otherwise people will be stop paying attention to you opening your emails, right? People will be unsubscribing. So basically, like, I want to make sure that I send, enough value, right? And then I actually have my pitch email. So, basically this is that monetization strategy. So really the key when it comes to monetization is providing value. Because if you do this, if you talk about that result that they are looking for, because this is something that those people are interested in, people will be opening your emails, listening to recommendations, clicking on your links, right? Buying products from you, right? Your Clickbank products. And basically this will help you convert your leads into customers. So at the end of the day, you can make money. And basically this is the model. This is kind of how you build a very, very responsive email list. So again, basically you want to make sure that there is this message to market match, right? So those people are coming to your landing page and you're talking about that result that they are looking for. And also, like, you want to make sure that in all of those emails you are also talking about that result that they are looking for. And hopefully this is making sense. Now basically, this is kind of the big picture, this is the model, this is how it works. And this is the model that will help you build very, very lucrative and very responsive email lists. Because what you are doing is you have this message to market match, right? So basically you are attracting people who are pretty interested in the product you are selling. So basically people who are looking for that result, your product promises to deliver. And because you're providing value, you are serving your people, people will be looking forward to your emails. So people will be opening your emails, they will be paying attention to you, and therefore people will be buying products through your affiliate link, through your Clickbank link. And again, like, basically this is how the model looks like. Now, if you need a little bit more help on how to actually implement this model step by step, what you can do is you can click on the first link in the description and you can access very, very cool training that will show you exactly step by step how to implement this blueprint, this model, and exactly how to build solid, successful, stable affiliate marketing business. So if you feel that you need that step by step guidance, feel free to check it out. And basically this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me some thumbs up, and I'm looking forward to talk to you soon. Bye.